What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Top 5 Trey. Today we're taking a look at a wireless gaming mouse that's clearly built for people who want lightweight performance, flexibility, and real everyday usability. Not overcomplicated features, not unnecessary bulk, just a clean, responsive mouse that actually delivers where it matters. This is the Attack Shark R1, and right away this mouse is all about simplicity done right. It's lightweight, versatile, and designed for both gaming and daily use without feeling cheap or limited. Quick reminder before we jump in. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If these breakdowns help you choose smarter tech, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let's get into what makes the Attack Shark R1 worth checking out. Let's start with one of the biggest advantages here, the tri-mode connectivity. You're getting 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.2, and wired connection options. In real-world use, this gives you complete flexibility. You can use the 2.4 GHz mode for low latency gaming, switch to Bluetooth for convenience on laptops or tablets, or plug it in with a cable when you need uninterrupted performance or charging. That flexibility makes this mouse more than just a gaming accessory. It becomes an all-around tool that works across different devices and setups without any hassle. Now let's talk about weight, because this is where things get really interesting. The Attack Shark R1 comes in at just around 55 grams. That ultra lightweight design makes a huge difference during long gaming sessions. Movements feel faster, smoother, and more precise. There's less strain on your wrist, and flicks feel more controlled, especially in fast-paced games. This is the kind of weight that competitive players look for, but it's also incredibly comfortable for everyday use like browsing, editing, or working. Performance-wise, you're getting an 18,000 DPI optical sensor. That means accurate tracking, smooth cursor movement, and the ability to adjust sensitivity based on your preference. Whether you like low DPI for precision aiming or higher DPI for faster movement, this mouse adapts to your style. The sensor performance ensures consistency, which is key for both gaming and productivity. You don't get random jumps or lag, just clean, reliable tracking. Durability is another strong point here. The mouse is rated for up to 20 million clicks, which means it's built to last. Whether you're gaming aggressively or just using it daily, you can rely on it to hold up over time without losing responsiveness. Now let's talk about design and comfort. The Attack Shark R1 features an ergonomic shape that fits naturally in your hand. It's designed to reduce fatigue even during extended use. The curves, button placement, and overall structure make it comfortable whether you're gaming for hours or working through long tasks. It doesn't feel awkward or forced. Everything is positioned where your fingers expect it to be. That kind of natural feel makes a big difference in real-world use. Another advantage is its broad compatibility. This mouse works with PC, laptops, Windows, Mac, and other devices. So no matter what setup you're running, you can plug in or connect and start using it immediately without complicated setup processes. And because of its lightweight and wireless design, it's also super portable. You can easily carry it with your laptop, making it perfect for people who switch between work and gaming environments. Battery and rechargeability are also built into the experience. You're not constantly replacing batteries or worrying about power. Just recharge and keep going, which makes it more convenient for everyday use. Visually, the clean white design gives it a minimal and modern look. It doesn't try too hard to stand out, but it still looks sleek on any desk setup. Whether you're using it for gaming or work, it fits right in. What really defines the Attack Shark R1 is how balanced it feels. You've got tri-mode connectivity for flexibility, an ultra lightweight 55-gram design for speed and comfort, an 18 kDPI optical sensor for precision, durable 20 million click switches, and an ergonomic shape that actually supports long sessions. This isn't a mouse that relies on flashy marketing. It's built around real usability. It focuses on the things that actually improve your experience: comfort, performance, and versatility. If you're looking for a wireless gaming mouse that's lightweight, responsive, and flexible enough to handle both gaming and everyday tasks, the Attack Shark R1 is definitely worth considering. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you using this for gaming, work, or both? I'll catch you in the next one.